Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Karlton Jones, and I'm here to show you a little invention that I made. This is one of the world's smallest fog machines. Now, here are some of the materials that you'll need. You'll need a battery holder. You can purchase this from Radio Shack, but it will just hold your 4 AA batteries inside of it. Again, like I said, you can buy these electric cigarettes from any convenience store. You'll need to buy some hookup wire, 20 gauge solid wire. You can get this also from Radio Shack. You need your batteries, AA batteries. You'll need a nice soldering tool set because we're going to have to solder some wires, some electrical tape, plastic tubing. You can get this from Lowe's, and the diameter, inner diameter, 1/2 inch by 3/8 inch vinyl tubing. You will need a momentary push button. You can get this from Radio Shack also. Now, this one here that I made is really good. It puts out a fair amount of smoke, but I want to kind of, beef it up a little bit. So I'm going to actually use 2 electric cigarettes for this, and hopefully it'll make a lot of smoke. We'll go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna cut my tubing, and I'm just gonna make it, maybe 1 inch or 2, same size as this one here. That will do. Next, I will take out my nylon barb. Nylon barb. And I will open up my electric cigarette here. So we'll take these end caps off here, and we will assemble it together like so. This one works okay. Now, what I'm going to want to do here is put my plastic tubing over this end of your electric cigarette here. You're going to want to try to push it down a good amount of ways so that you won't lose any air pressure once your mini pump gets going. So as you can see, I'm going to try to make these the same. So push it down a little bit more.
Extra, extra. From your rooftop, go ahead and shout it at somebody. This is who he is. He's the king. He sits on high.
That's good.
He cannot lie.
Now,
I'ma tell you why.
you're going to want to insert your hose barb. I'm going to go ahead and open up my soldering kit here. Hey guys, I'm back again. I'm going to wrap up this tutorial to show you how to make the world's smallest fog machine. Take a look at the finished product. As you can see here, I have my 2 electric cigarettes. I have some tubing here, which is nothing but vinyl tubing with an inner diameter of 3/8 of an inch, outer diameter 1/2 an inch, and I cut it to about 1.5 inches in length. I have 2 nylon barbs here, and the outer diameter of the barb is 3 inches to be able to fit inside this tubing there, as you can see. And I got this tubing here, this T, and also the mini pump here, which is just a little DC motor. I got this out of a blood pressure monitor from CVS, and it does an excellent job at pulling a vacuum on these cigarettes to make your fog machine. As you can see here, this is just the outside casing of the blood pressure monitor. If you're just trying to find it at CVS, look for this one here. This is where I took the motor out of, and also this T part and this tubing here. I mostly bought all of these supplies from Lowe's. You can find the E-cigarettes from any convenience store. You can find from Radio Shack your push button here, which I've soldered my positive and negative wires to. Have my battery pack with 4 AA batteries. I'm pulling about 6 volts with this. Each battery is about 1.5 volts. And everything is connected, as you can see here. And we'll give her a try. Turn my battery pack on here. Let's see if she works. And as you can see, we have smoke. Turn the light out a little bit. Hopefully you can see the smoke a little better. And as you can see, it works good. Now, you can usually adjust how much smoke comes out of these things by twisting the E-Cig and creating a little bit of space in between the battery and the upper part there. But it works. That's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks. If you like it, hit like at the bottom of the screen. Peace.